Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Know who you're dealing with. In this world of fragile egos and hidden power, one truth echoes through history and experience. Know who you're dealing with, do not offend the wrong person. It sounds simple, almost cynical, yet it is a rule that separates wisdom from recklessness. Many battles, careers, and reputations have been lost not because of incompetence, but because someone misjudged the weight of another's silence. Each person carries influence in ways we cannot see. The quiet one in the corner may hold the key to your next opportunity or your downfall. The humble worker you dismiss today could be the decision maker tomorrow. And the person you choose to offend might just be the one holding the knife of consequence behind a gentle smile. This is not about fear, it's about respect. It's about reading people, situations, and power with discernment. The wise learn to listen first, to observe before reacting. They understand that strength is not found in arrogance but in restraint, not in dominating others but in navigating human nature with tact and empathy. In a world that celebrates loudness and blunt honesty, prudence is often underrated. But the art of knowing who you're dealing with is not manipulation, it's survival with grace. So before you speak, act, or challenge, pause. Understand the person across the table. Because in life, one careless word can make an enemy you can never afford to have. Remember, power does not always announce itself. Sometimes it watches quietly, deciding whether you're wise enough to know the difference. Thank you for watching.